Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Uber Eats payment error. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to check your card details. As you can see right here, now you can pick orders with Korean because Uber Eats and Korean now merged. So I'm gonna go ahead to the Korean app and log in with the same credentials as Uber Eats. Click the three bars at the top right and then click profile. And then under the personal information, you're gonna see cards and accounts. Go ahead and add a different card details. Or first of all, make sure to check your card details. Make sure your card info is correct and not expired. Next, try another payment method. You're gonna go ahead and add a card like PayPal, Apple Pay, or whatever, right? Or Google Pay. Okay. Next, check your bank. Your bank may be blocking that transaction. Contact them. And next, try to update the Uber Eats app, or AKA Uber Eats. Excuse me, Uber Eats or Korean. Okay, so make sure to update both of them in order to get the latest version. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna clear cache and restart. To restart your iPhone, swipe down from your battery or Wi-Fi at the top, and you're gonna see the shutdown system button at the top right, and just shut it down and reopen it again using the lock screen. Okay. As for clearing cache, you're gonna go ahead to the settings, general, then iPhone storage. You're gonna make sure that you basically upload some of the unnecessary data or files within the app, okay, by uploading the app. Okay. And lastly, contact the Uber support. Okay, you can go ahead to Korean, right, or Uber Eats now, and then go ahead and click the three bars at the top right and then help. Okay, and then select the problem, which is account and payment options. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.